Hi viewers, I am Nasir Mahmood. I am explaining simplification of algebraic fractions and this is new syllabus mathematics 1 exercise. This is also called syllabus D1. This is exercise 4A, page number 91, and I am solving question number 9. In question number 9 we are required to simplify the expressions. Now first fraction is 1 upon 4x, then second fraction is 1 upon 3y 3x. First we have to take down LCM, and then by taking LCM we are going to solve this question. The final answer will be 7 upon 12x. Now over here you should remember the procedure that LCM is divided by the denominator. This LCM will be divided by this denominator. We will get 3. So this 3 outside the bracket came like this. Okay. Similarly, 12 is divided by 3, and 4 we got, and 4 came like this by dividing. Okay. So this is part A of question number 9. Now come toward the second part. In second part, part B, we have 2 upon 5y minus 1 upon 3y. So in this question we have to take LCM. LCM will be 15. This 15 will be divided by 5. We will get 3. 3 will be written outside the bracket, and 2y will be written inside the bracket. Same way, this 15 will be divided by 3, and we will have 5. 5 will be written outside the bracket, and y will be written inside the bracket. Now we will multiply. We will get 6y minus 5y. Finally we will get y upon 15, and 1 upon 15 y is going to be our answer. Now in the third part, the C part, we have 3 upon 7a minus 3 upon 7a plus 3 upon 5a. So we have to take common. Common is a, and inside the bracket we have written the fractions. Then we have taken the LCM, and after taking LCM we got our answer, that is 6 upon 35. Now look at question number 9D. In 9D, first we have to take common. Common is b. Then these two fractions will be inside the bracket. We will have to take LCM. LCM will be 12. So this 12 will be divided by 4. We will get 3. So 3 9s is 27. Okay. So we will get 27 over here. And 3 4s is 12. So 4 4s is 16. So 27 minus 16 is 11. So 11 over 12 is with a B is our answer. So I hope you have understood this question. So if you have any problem, please write in comments. I will be delighted to answer your questions. That's all. Until the next video. Bye.